Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here, as I said, with the Apple Watch Ultra. As you see, and maybe you don't, my Galaxy Watch Ultra is about to be taking a little break over there. I literally just took it off. My wrist is probably still a little wet, you know what I'm saying? But I finally have the first generation Apple Watch Ultra in-house. We're gonna pair it to the Apple Watch 15 Pro, make sure it's up to date and all that type of stuff. It's somewhat used because, like I said, my mom's sending it to me, but she barely actually wore it, so it should still be in pristine condition. Love the packaging. What a size for a package, man. I'm so excited to jump into this. As we know, it's a 49 millimeter, and as you see, she had got the blue gray trail loop, so we'll see if that's in here. I do have a watch band that I'll be showing you guys later in terms of like another video. It's a nice band, but we're gonna focus on the main subject here, and the packaging is just ooh la la, ooh la la. So let's go ahead. I've so much involved with this. Goodness gracious. So as we see, we got the booklet. We have this, which looks like this was supposed to be the trail loop. Doesn't look bad at all. It's blue, gray, tan. I'm wondering, is the loop actually in this, or is it still on the watch? I'm guessing it's on the watch. But what beautiful packaging they at least did have for the Apple Watch Ultra. And then there's the Apple Watch Ultra right there. Uh-oh. Let's stay right there. But the booklet. Look at this. Apple knows presentation. They know packaging. Despite not having chargers for their iPhones, they have packaging down overall for the most part. You just feel special opening their products because it feels like they're for you. And so here's the different style bands you could have gotten for it. So I like how they kind of showcase that. And they showcase what the buttons are, what they do, what they stand for, what it looks like, what you're about to embark on as you journey with your Apple Watch Ultra. Just look at the attention to detail. And it has the actual band that you have on the watch in here too, which is actually even more detailed. So that's fire right there. I'm digging this. I'm excited to try this out. I can't wait to bring some watch face videos, some watch band videos, and just overall coverage of the Apple Watch Ultra. Because I know some of you guys might be wondering whether or not you should rock the Apple Watch Ultra 1 or potentially 2. Now, as I see, that's all you get. No Apple stickers unless they did come with it. My mom just kept them for her own personal use. But the booklet, straight fire. Let's go ahead now and check out the Apple Watch. And it does feel as though it might be in here with the band. So let's go ahead, open that bad boy up. Yep. Boy, the packaging, the repackaging, I should say, fairly funny. So upon pulling the watch out here, and she didn't give me the charger because I have my own, so not a big deal. Looked like she may have cleaned it off. If I try to look, it looks like it's just dust. So let's go ahead and grab a microfiber cloth real quick. Let's go ahead and wipe this bad boy down and see what it actually looks like. And it does look pristine, clean, baby. Just a couple speckles, but it probably looks like if I just wetted this and actually wiped it down, it would come out to be clean. But as you guys can see, and with just a little bit more muscle, and really that actually might be from my microfiber cloth in itself. Yep. Pristine, clean, baby. So looking at the side and the body, it looks pristine, clean, baby. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So, yes, I'm excited. So as we know, the action button, if you will, bada bing, and you can link that to different things, primarily probably exercises, of course. You have now the orange crown dial. It's still rotatable, which is really good. You have your power button right there. What's nice about this watch, and of course I'm going to be wearing it like that, is the fact that this is supposed to be touting very, very good battery life for this size. And I'm going to be interested in comparing the Apple Watch Ultra first gen versus the Galaxy Watch Ultra first gen to see how battery life really compares. Does this 2 millimeter extra size really matter? Even though this is clearly, or at least it appears to be, more beefy. I think that the Apple Watch Ultra will sit a little bit better on the wrist. So we're definitely going to find that out. And I'm going to let you guys know about this trail loop band to see if I also like this trail loop band. because at least that'll be two bands that I have that I like. There are some titanium bands I'll be looking into for you guys, but I definitely wanted to bring this to you guys. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see if it's got juice. She said she charged it. Press and hold. Ah, there's the Apple logo. Now grabbing the trusty iPhone 15. Let's go ahead and open that boy up. So then that way, once it's ready to pair, maybe even bring up the, well, you know what? Let's see what happens. We're going to see what happens as this loads up. The only differences that I know of between the Apple Watch Ultra 1 and the Apple Ultra 2 is really like the on-device processing, due to the fact that the S8 chip did not have that. The S9 chip has on-device processing for Siri, so that makes Siri completely different. And so that's about the only thing that I know for sure. Let's see if I press this. I press English. I press United States. And then I can start pairing. So open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap start pairing. So as we know, we got to pull up the Apple Watch app. So let's go ahead and look for it. Hit that. And already it knows. So let's see. I think I just got to go to all watches up here, because I didn't see no start pairing situation. So let's go up here, add watch, set up myself or for myself, hold that. It should, bada boom, bada bing. We see the green lights. Hold Apple Watch up to the camera. I don't know if I'm supposed to get a little further back. We'll see if it does it or not. There we go. So there's a software update that is available for the Apple Watch. So update now to continue setting up. I guess I can go ahead and do that now. So let's go ahead and update now. Connecting your watch or your Apple Watch. This may take some time. Activating Apple Watch. This may take a few minutes. And as you guys can see over here, this is what you get in terms of the Apple Watch. It's 49mm titanium ceramic case designed by Apple in California. So definitely supposed to be durable, much like the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and of course with even the now second generation Apple Watch Ultra 2. So definitely know that the coverage is going to be bringing to you guys, and depending on how long this takes here, I will be most likely ending the video here very, very soon, so that way I can get to, oh, okay, here we go. WatchOS 10.6.1, 164 megabytes. This update fixes an issue that may prevent access to Apple Fitness Plus. Download and install. I may have to connect this to a charger in order to do so. We're going to see. I hit agree because I understand the terms and conditions. And so now estimated time remaining is going to show that as it starts to download the update for the Apple Watch Ultra. And so while this is doing that, let's go ahead and get the one time try on. Now, like I said, I need to clean the back. So give me 1 second. All right. So after doing some cleaning, let's go ahead and see if we can get this on the wrist here. I'm a little surprised that it's this small, which means I must wear a bigger size Apple Watch. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and maybe bring this out a little bit more as well. So definitely understand your sizing. Let's see if we can get it on now. So it's going to work on just a little bit. There we go. This is how I would wear it, of course. And then all you got to do is tighten it up like that. And I actually don't mind this being on the inside. Boom, just like that. Oh, man, that's nice. So it's so interesting because these bands they always make the watch feel bigger the way you stare down the barrel like that, just like that prong look. And so that's why I often don't like wearing these type of bands. So if I tighten it up just a little bit more, which isn't gonna hurt. Like it does shrink it a little bit more, and I'm not mad. Like the band is nice. I'm definitely gonna replace it with a trail loop of my own that's more, new and fresh. But this one isn't actually all that bad, and I actually don't mind the way it's oriented. I got my buttons right here, my action button on that side. Now I could like my Galaxy Watch Ultra here. I could orient it where the main focus is on the action button being on the outside, like the quick button on the Galaxy Watch. But at least on this, all the buttons are on one side, whereas with the Apple Watch Ultra, one button is on the inside as opposed to the rest of the buttons. So as we know, this is still updating, and I'm sure it's going to be asked to be put on the charger. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 1 in-house. We're going to be doing coverage on it, so definitely be on the lookout and stay tuned. If you guys haven't already, let me know down in the comment section below. Do you guys rock Apple Watches, Galaxy Watches? Are you guys excited for the coverage of the Apple Watch Ultra and in comparison with the Apple Watch Ultra versus the Galaxy Watch Ultra? The comment section is open for discussion. Again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. It's all free. That makes a video so you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super thanks button down there, but I like and dislike button, Cash App and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's the way to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. So Micah signing out until the next video. Wait for it.